Hey guys, it's Tyler Russ once again, the tech guru here at Ken Ganley Kia of Boardman, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to hook your phone up to your Bluetooth connectivity on our new models, because every single 2026 and most of the 2025s are going to be almost identical. So it's very easy. First thing that you're going to want to do is when you're in the vehicle, you're going to want to go to your main screen and find Setup. Once you hit Setup, you'll see right there where it says Device Connections, which you will hit, and then you're going to hit Add New. When you hit Add New, the vehicle is going to prompt you, and then you need to go to your Bluetooth screen on your phone, which will take me 2 seconds, and then connect it. And once it's connected, you'll see that it will give you an alert here saying that it's pairing. You'll hit pair or allow on one of your phones, whether it's iPhone or Android. And once you do that, it's that simple. And then you can go ahead and play any of your music that you would like, which for me is going to be one of my favorites. So let's see what I got keyed up for, shall we? It's got a good rhythm.